Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that will help you to speak English while dining out. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Can we see the menu please? What do you recommend? Could you please explain what this dish is? How spicy is this dish? Is this dish suitable for vegetarians? Could I have a glass of water please? Could you bring us some bread and butter? Could you please recommend a good wine to pair with our food? Could we have some extra napkins please? Could we have the bill please? Is service included in the price? Could we pay separately please? I would like to order the seafood platter please. Could you please bring us some salt and pepper? Can I have some ketchup please? Can you make it a little bit spicier please? I would like my steak medium rare please. Could you please bring us some more water? This chicken is a little bit dry. Could we have some extra plates please? Could you please take our photo? I would like to order a dessert please. Could you please recommend a dessert? Do you have any vegan options? Could you please make sure that there is no onion in my dish? Could we have a table by the window please? Do you have any specials today? Could we order some appetizers to start? Is there a dress code here? Can you please turn down the music a little bit? I would like my coffee with milk please. Could I have a refill please? Could you please bring us the steak platter? Do you have any gluten-free options? I would like to order a burger please. Can you please bring us some hot sauce? Could we have some more ice please? Could you please pack the leftovers to go? Can I have a side dish of fries please? This steak is perfectly cooked. Can we split the bill please? Could you please bring us some more utensils? Do you have any recommendations for cocktails? I would like my pasta with extra sauce please. Could you please bring us some more bread? Could you please remove the olives from my salad? Could you please bring us 2 chocolate ice creams? Could you please bring us some more of this delicious sauce? Could we have a different table please? Can we order some more drinks please? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.